Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Peach Cobbler is on deck today. Come on, let's cook. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Today I'm in the kitchen. Got my apron on. Y'all know how I do. But it's one of those days, it's kind of dreary outside and it's winter. And I want a summer dessert. And you know, I always equate peach cobbler with summer. But I'm gonna show you today how to make a quick peach cobbler in the winter when you don't have fresh peaches. You're gonna use those canned peaches. So let me get in the kitchen and we'll get to cooking. This is a real simple recipe with real simple ingredients that I have in my pantry. We're going to start with a little bit of cornstarch, some canned peaches. You see I have mixed match cans of peaches and some pie crust already made. The first step of this recipe is to roll out my pie crust. Because I only have one of the two that was originally in the box, I need to make sure that I have enough for a top and bottom crust. Now it's time to get the filling prepared. I'll open one can and put the entire can with the syrup, peaches and syrup in, and then I'll drain a can and just put the peaches of that can into my filling. Now I'm going to put a little bit of cornstarch into my peaches so that the cornstarch will help that thicken, the syrup thicken. Now I'm going to put in about a half a cup of sugar. You don't have to use this much sugar if you don't like it. You can use less or you can use more. Whatever you like, just put some sugar in there. Then we're going to do some cinnamon. I'm going to put a pinch of salt because salt always brings that sweetness out and it brings the flavor of the peaches out. Now I want to give it a good stir so that I can mix in the cornstarch and get all the ingredients mixed together. Now that it's all mixed in, you know what I gotta do? I gotta taste it to make sure that it's sweet enough and that it has the right amount of cinnamon and all that. And it does. So let's go into the pie crust. Now I'm going to roll the rest of this pie crust out just a little bit more so that I can see if I can make it fit the top of my peach cobbler. Now I've sealed up the edges, and I don't need to vent this because you see I don't have enough crust to fill the top. But that's okay. It's still going to be good. Now I'm going to bake this initially for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit so that the bottom crust can cook. And then I will turn my oven down to 350 degrees and bake it for about 40 minutes. Now she's all done. It's time to taste. Hey y'all. So my peach cobbler is done. Very easy. You saw how simple it was. It may not have been the prettiest peach cobbler I've ever made, but it's going to hit the spot. I'm going to taste it for you right now. My daughter has already come over and gotten her a piece of peach cobbler. So I got a little bit of ice cream and some peach cobbler in it. The bowl. Let's taste it. It's still peach cobbler. It's nice and got a nice syrup to it. The peaches are nice and soft, just enough sugar, and it hits the spot. So sometimes when you don't think that you're gonna make that beautiful dessert or that beautiful dish, you have the ingredients for it, and it's some stuff that you just got laying around, go ahead and make it. Make this peach cobbler with some stuff you got laying around. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Be blessed. Bye.